Sure.
It's fun.
Nice landing.
Mostly the plane.
Another smooth touchdown.
Right, going out.
Ready, Carl?
Landing?
Oh, wait, somebody landing?
Oh, that's fine. Don't care about me. Before you guys take off, did you lose this?
No, I saw that, and I don't know whose it was.
Did anyone ran? Did you lose the battery protector?
Okay. Come on in, Nick. Okay.
China clear. Gear up, flaps up.
Come on up. The air is fine.
All pass to the right. Going up. Very nice.
Okay, Carl, I'm coming to you.
Passing over the runway.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Okay, I'm leading on this pass, but low pass from the right. What the hell? I think he dropped his plane or something.
Okay? Yeah, yeah.
There we go. Well, hello, Ran.
I almost speared you.
As I said last time, there will be no probing today.
Not yet. Right, guys. Yeah, let's take it easy.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
There's actually some thermals over there.
They're everywhere, yeah.
Going down a bit.
Okay.
Putting down the battery. Endurance.
Okay, low pass from the right.
Time remaining 1 minute.
There's my wingman.
Landing right. Runway clear.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Alright,
4,
setting up for landing here.
Okay.
2, 1. Time expired.
I'm gonna follow you in, but then I'll do a pass and then come in after you. You'll have time to clear.
Gear down. Landing flap.
Okay, I'm coming in from the right. I see where you are, so I'll avoid you.
Off to the side here.
I'll avoid you.
I love how this thing flies.
Yes, it flies amazing.
Nice. The wheels of this F-18 are so wobbly.
They're wonky. Yeah. I think I think a lot of that's the nose.
I was thinking about changing them to foam
Yeah.
wheels.
And then the angle's still off.
Yeah. There's a little bit of a dance, but it's not.
It needs to be more forward, and I think it'll be good. The runway's clear.
Flaps up.
That's cool. It's a good fight, guys. The Odd Fellows, right?